When faced with damaged underground PVC conduit, several repair options exist to avoid repulling the entire run. Firstly, a flexible PVC repair coupling can be employed. These couplings are designed to fit over the damaged pipe and the existing coupling. To use one, loosen the coupling bolts and slide the flexible coupling over the break, carefully aligning the pipe sections. Then, securely tighten the bolts to ensure a proper seal. This method offers a straightforward solution for repairing breaks without requiring extensive cutting or repulling of wires. Secondly, PVC cement can be used for certain types of damage. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and preparing the damaged area, ensuring all dirt and debris are removed. Apply PVC cement to both the inside of the repair coupling or sleeve and the outside of the pipe. Insert the pipe into the coupling and rotate it slightly to evenly distribute the cement. Hold the pieces firmly together for several hours to allow the cement to fully cure and create a strong bond. This technique is effective for smaller cracks or breaks where a more permanent seal is needed. Thirdly, a PVC repair sleeve provides another option. Select a PVC repair sleeve that has a slightly larger diameter than the damaged pipe. Use a utility knife to carefully cut the sleeve to the appropriate length to cover the damaged area. Slip the sleeve over the damaged area and tighten the bolts to compress the sleeve firmly against the pipe, creating a secure and watertight seal. This method is particularly useful when the pipe is cracked or has a section that needs reinforcement. Fourthly, for minor breaks or leaks, a rubber repair clamp can be a quick and effective solution. Place the rubber repair clamp directly over the damaged area. Tighten the bolts on the clamp to compress the rubber and seal the leak. This method is best suited for small pinhole leaks or cracks and provides a temporary or emergency repair. When working with these repair methods, always ensure adequate safety precautions. Make sure the repair area is well ventilated, especially when using PVC cement, as it contains chemicals that can be harmful if inhaled. Exercise caution when handling tools, such as utility knives, to prevent injuries. Before burying the repaired section, always test the repair. Fill the pipe with water or pressurize the system to check for leaks. If any leaks are detected, retighten the connections or apply additional sealant as necessary. It's crucial to ensure that the repair is completely watertight before backfilling. If the damage to the PVC conduit is extensive or involves multiple breaks, it may be necessary to repull the affected run. Consider the extent of the damage and the feasibility of the repair before proceeding. In some cases, repulling the wires and replacing the damaged section of conduit may be the most reliable and long-term solution. When selecting repair materials, ensure they are compatible with the size and type of PVC conduit being repaired. Using the wrong materials can compromise the integrity of the repair and lead to future problems. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines for proper installation and usage of repair products. Regularly inspect underground PVC conduit runs for signs of damage, such as cracks, leaks, or deformation. Addressing minor issues promptly can prevent more significant problems from developing over time. Consider using conduit markers or tracer wire to make it easier to locate underground conduit runs in the future, reducing the risk of accidental damage during excavation or other activities. Always follow local electrical codes and regulations when performing any repairs to electrical conduit systems. If unsure about any aspect of the repair, consult with a qualified electrician to ensure the work is done safely and correctly. Keep detailed records of all repairs performed, including the date, location, materials used, and any other relevant information. This documentation can be helpful for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Properly backfill the excavated area around the repaired conduit, ensuring the soil is compacted to prevent settling and protect the conduit from future damage. Consider using sand or other suitable backfill material to provide additional protection for the conduit. Periodically inspect the repaired area for signs of settling, erosion, or other issues that could compromise the integrity of the repair. Take corrective action as needed to maintain the long-term reliability of the conduit system. By following these guidelines, effective repairs to underground PVC conduit can be made, minimizing downtime and ensuring the continued safe and reliable operation of electrical systems.